Buds. ID number. Yeah, yeah. Come on, baby, let's go, buddy. Yeah. Are you at work right now, Victor? Victor? Yung ang last name ni Victor sa ano? Yung sa pinapanood ko yun. Oh! Come on, baby, let's go, buddy. Uh, uh, uh. Hungry? Are you hungry? Go get something to eat then. I just had nilagang kamote and saging. 'Di ba it's healthy? Healthy, healthy. Have you tried those? Nilagang kamote and saging. It's kinda healthy. Yeah. Anong lunch? No, not sa lunch wala pa. Salty heart. Wala pang lunch kasi late na ako kumain ng agahan. Kumbaga parang brunch yun, ganun. Hello, salty heart. Ang sakit ng puson ko. Ikaw, kamusta ka naman? Taguro, Jeremiah, Jericho. Ang sakit. Gusto kong manuntok. Gusto kong manapok ng isa. Masakit ang puso ko. Ano ba yan? Bibili ako pretzel. Oh, I like pretzel too. Is it the plain one, Vic? The pretzel are you gonna buy? Hurt me, Dons. You want me to hurt you? Come here. Batukan kita dyan ng mga 10 beses. The plain one. Yeah. Enjoy your pretzel. Ang sakit kasi. Alam mo yung pag masakit ang is the time of the oo, kahapon nga salty heart. Kaya nga hindi ako naka-live kahapon kasi I felt the pain already yesterday, but today is the worst. But it's still, I'm in a good mood, you know. Though I feel the pain, but I'm in a good mood. I don't know why my hormones is kinda abnormal. Tara, punta tayo sa Karen muna. I think she's not there. If she's there, ay naku, swerte siya, wala siya dyan. Charot. Nakikipagbardagulan ako sa kanya. You know what? Vic, I have pretzels here, but the one with the coated, and also it's the pretzels, the hard one, the snacks. Not the real pretzel, the bread one, the big one. Come on, baby, let's go about it. Yeah. Tawa-tawa ka dyan, salty heart. Gusto mo talaga ako makipagbardagulan sa kapitbahay namin, ha? Gusto mo yun, nakikipagbardagulan ako. Feeling ko ang taba-taba ako ngayon. Ay, naku. I can't wait na folly, anong tawag doon sa face na yun? Yung isa, folly, whatever, basta. Alam niyo kaya hindi rin ako lumalabas ng bahay. I don't feel like going out because I don't feel like I'm pretty. I feel like I'm ugly. makakakita ako paano magbugbog. Ay naku B, nasabi ko sa'yo nananabunot talaga ako. Charot.